Another quiet morning, just like always.
Why can't my hands make something beautiful? I can learn how to make it smoother like that.
Maybe I'm just not made for this. I need to clear my mind. Maybe tomorrow will be different.
The air feels so clean here.
Good morning, young maker. Out for a walk?
Yes, I'm walking before I start carving today.
That looks smooth. You are learning good control.
I'll remember that. Thank you.
I will start small today. Just a little smoother than yesterday.
I like seeing small progress.
One small goal every day.
Each small step builds your path.
They look better each week. I worked a little longer each day.
Keep adding your small steps, Aki.
Another small step done. It feels good to keep going.
Keep your steady rhythm, Aki. I will, Mira.
I'll keep learning a little every day. Greatness grows one small step at a time.